Safety Talk 90. How to use a ladder properly. The topic of ladder safety is broad. So today, we will focus on just one key point. How to place a ladder properly for safe use. Let's start with the 4:1 ratio. This means that for every 4 units of vertical height, the base of the ladder should be 1 unit away from the wall or support. For example, if your ladder is 4 meters tall, its base should be 1 meter away from the wall. A 2-meter ladder. Place the feet 0.5 meters from the wall. 3 meters. 0.75 meters from the wall. If the base is too close, the ladder might tip backward. If the base is too far, it could snap or slide out under weight. A ladder should never be used horizontally as a scaffold. It's not built for that. If you need to use a ladder in front of a door, lock or block the door. Place a barrier to keep people away. Before using any ladder, make sure the base is solid and stable. A ladder might seem fine on soft or uneven ground, until you're halfway up, and then it slips. If the surface is soft, build a firm base with heavy boards or other solid material. Never place ladders on boxes, carts, or unstable stacks. When you climb, those supports might roll or shift, and you can guess the result. It's not just the feet that matter. The top of the ladder must also be well placed. Avoid placing the top against window frames or other weak spots. If needed, secure a board across the ladder top to create a stable contact point with the wall. Never lean the ladder against stacked materials or cartons. They can shift, leaving you hanging. If you are placing a ladder onto a scaffold, make sure it extends at least 1 meter above the landing. That gives extra safety in case of movement or vibration. And if you're working at height, especially with wind or vibration, tie the top of the ladder securely. That rope could save your life. These aren't complicated rules, just basic safety steps to help your ladder become a safe tool, not a deadly trap. If you place it correctly and use it responsibly, it will be as safe as the one at home. But a poorly placed ladder can turn on you fast and dangerously.